Welcome to the NEC Univerge 3C Collaboration Training. In this training, we will discuss the benefits of using the collaboration tool, go over how to access and open the collaboration tool, the different ways to create a meeting, how to join a meeting, starting and ending a meeting, and the different options while in a meeting. These include using presentations and documents, how to screen share, how to record a session, and utilizing the chat feature. We will also talk about voting and how to give feedback. Why would you want to use the collaboration tool over a conference bridge? The conference bridge can only do audio calls. The collaboration can do web calls and video conferencing. You can also cast votes and use public chat or private messages. To open the collaboration tool, open the NEC UC client. If the icon isn't shown on your desktop, then it will be in your list of programs when you open the Start menu. Once the client is opened, click on the Meeting Center icon. This will open the collaboration website. Click Create Meeting or Create New Meeting. Select if you want the meeting public or private. Fill out the required fields. Please note that the public meeting requires a capacity. You can modify the meeting options if you would like, or you can skip this step. Click Create Meeting. Once a meeting is created, you need to add participants. When setting up a private meeting, the invite screen will pop up as soon as you click Create Meeting. You can invite a maximum number of 42 people, including yourself. For a webinar, you will be brought to the main meeting screen and you will have to select Add Participants. This will bring you to the same screen as the private meeting. The maximum number of people for a public meeting is 50, including yourself. To add people, check the box next to their name or search for their contacts. If a contact isn't listed, you can add a new participant. Fill out the required fields and click Save. Once you have found someone that you would like to add, click Add Participant. If you want to make a participant a moderator, you can do that by checking the box next to their name in the Moderator column. Once everyone is added, click Send Invitations. Select Send Notifications to all participants and click OK. To upload documents or presentation materials, click Upload. Choose whether or not you want to upload a file or a presentation. Click Upload with the corresponding box. Click Browse to search the file you want to upload. Once you find the file, click Open. Once the document uploads, click Close. Click Finish to exit back to the main screen. To create a meeting from Outlook, you need to have the 3C add-in installed on your computer. If you have the add-in installed, then open your Outlook calendar. Click on the 3C tab. Click on New Collaboration Meeting. Invite attendees, name the meeting, set a time and date, and click Send. To join a meeting, open your Outlook calendar and click on the meeting. To join a web meeting, click on the link to join the meeting. To join an audio meeting, dial in the number given. Enter a PIN if applicable. For web meetings, click Join Web Meeting or Join Web and Phone Audio, depending on the type of the meeting. If you choose to join a web and phone audio, a box will pop up and ask you how you would like to join the meeting. Once you make your decision, click Open Meeting and start dialing. If you are only a participant, your host or moderator may make you wait in the lobby. This is what you would see if the meeting hasn't started yet, or if the host interrupts a meeting already in progress. A host or moderator are the only people that can start a meeting. A meeting must be started, or participants will be waiting in the lobby. Click Start Meeting to let participants in from the lobby. Click Yes to start the meeting. If you are hosting a webinar, you need to choose if participants are able to talk or if you want them muted. To end a meeting, click the Meeting drop-down tab and select End Meeting. Once you end a meeting, or if time runs out, this is what everyone will see. A chat screen can come in handy if you have participants on mute. Only hosts or moderators can change from presentation screen to chat screen or screen sharing. To open chat, click on the Chat tab at the bottom of the screen. A chat screen can stand alone or it can be a split screen under a presentation. Once a chat screen is open, any participant can type in the text box and click Send to make their message public. Only hosts or moderators can select the presentation screen. To start a presentation, click the Presentation tab at the bottom of the screen. To open a presentation that was loaded when the meeting was created, click Select. Select the previously loaded presentation. Once the presentation is open on the screen, you can navigate by using the arrows to advance the slides. Here is a view of the participant screen. Please note that it doesn't have the bottom tabs as the host screen does. However, it does have the files that the host uploaded in the lower left-hand side of the screen, in this case, test.pdf. You could also have a whiteboard open on your presentation and make notes on it. Click on the Presentation tab, click Select, and then choose Whiteboard. Click on Board if you want it to go over the slides. From here, you can add text, add shapes, highlight, and other various things. If you click the Pointer tab, it will turn your mouse into a pointer with your name. Multiple people can have pointers, and they will be different colors. Screen sharing is another way to present something. This will share your screen, or just a single window, with everyone in the meeting. Again, you have to be a moderator or host to share your screen. To open, click on the Screen Sharing tab. Before you can share, you have to download the screen sharing client. Choose the Windows 32-bit or the Mac Intel, depending on what type of computer you have, and click Download. Once the app downloads, choose if you want to share your full screen or just a single window. If you choose to send only a window, it will let you preview what you are showing. To close a screen sharing session, click the X in the corner of this box. A pop-up will ask you if you want to end the session. Click Yes. Here is what the screen sharing looks like. Note that I have the preview box on this screen so you can see a miniature version of the preview box. If I shrunk the window size, it wouldn't show the preview screen. We will now go over some of the other options in the collaboration tool. To enable a webcam, click on the webcam button in the upper left-hand side of the screen. It will ask you if you want to allow access. Click Allow. To enable a computer microphone, click on the microphone, and then people won't have to call in. They could listen through their computer speakers. Once you click microphone, you have to allow access or it won't work. If you want to enable an audio call, click on the phone icon. Choose the way you would like to be contacted, and click Dial Now. To enable or disable sound, click on the speaker icon. This will toggle back and forth between enabled and disabled. The Meeting drop-down is where you can interrupt a meeting, which sends everyone back to the lobby. You can lock a meeting, which means that no one else can join. If you decide to join through a telephone conference, it will ask for dial-in information. About this meeting gives specifics for the meeting, such as dial-in information and scheduled time. End meeting will close the meeting for all participants. The View drop-down shows what you are viewing and what you are hiding. File sharing is asking whether or not the files the host uploaded are visible to participants. Is the participant list shown or minimized? And chat means, is the chat screen visible or hidden? If it is visible, it takes up the lower portion of the screen. The Tools drop-down lets you choose if you want to record the session, mute or unmute all participants, enable messages, a private form of chat, and lets you set up a vote. The Settings drop-down can show you your connection setting, where you can choose your bandwidth, choose which webcam and microphone you want to use if you have more than one. It also lets you activate your camera and microphone and turn off the sound. If you have your participants on mute, you can check in periodically by asking if they need you to speed up or slow down. Explain they can let you know by clicking Give Feedback at the bottom left of the screen. A pop-up will show icons they can choose from. They can select the appropriate one. The icon selected shows up next to your name in the moderator's participant list. Once this is seen, feedback can be given. Congratulations! You have now finished the NEC Univerge 3C Collaboration Tool training. If you have any further questions, please contact your system administrator.